In this short video, I'll be showing you how to group your clashes based on a station and an offset for civil projects. So in this model, I have an alignment and I have a storm sewer and a sanitary sewer. First thing I want to do is I want to make sure I create a selection set of my alignment. So I grab my alignment on screen, come over here to sets, and I'm going to create a set. I'm just going to call it alignment. Then I'm going to go into Clash Detective, and I've got a test here, so I can say I'll just reset everything and update it all. So it shows me I've got 12 clashes here. So now I want to look at grouping these based on the station and offset. So now we're going to come over to Standard Tools. We're going to go to Clash Manager. Brings up this dialog box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the options here just to show you what I've done so far. I'm going to say let's go to Grouping. And down here I've got my station grouping. So you grab a selection set. When you do that, when you grab your selection set, it'll actually show you your stationing here. And so that's the start of the alignment and the end of the alignment. So I'm going to add in a couple more in here. So let's go 200. So 0 to 200. Let's go in here another one. Let's go to 500. So 200 to 500, 500. Let's go to 1,000. And then that'll be it. All right, so that's all we're going to do. So we're going to go OK here. Now we're going to select our test. Here it is. I'm going to expand this out so you can see there's all the clashes at the moment. So now I want to look at ways to group these together. So we're going to click on our Show Column Chooser. We can look in here and see what we have. So we've got approved by, we've got our clashes, all that stuff. If I go down here at the bottom, we've got grids and all that, but I don't see stationing in here, so I should have stationing. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to save this on my stationing. So I want to make sure it's saved. And then I'm just going to hit refresh and see if this updates it here. So if I come on down here at the bottom, oh, I still don't see it. So what we're going to do is we're going to clear it. And what the clearing does, it clears out everything and pulls in all the new. So now you see up here at the top, I've got alignment station. And that would give me each individual station, but down here I've got the station group. So I'm going to drag and drop it. And now we're going to expand this out. And now you can see here's clashes between 0 and 2, 2 and 5, and then I must have some clashes that don't fall within the alignment. Okay. So now that I've got that, we're going to grab our test and we're going to push it back into Navisworks. I'm going to go ahead and get out of this. I can go into my clash test. Says I've got 3 now. If I go to the results, here's all the clashes between 0 and 2 and 2 and 5 there. Okay, so I can go into each individual one of these.